Hey guys, so in this video I will demonstrate how can you deploy this Whatsbot on your VPS or on your local system. So you can read this wiki. You need a MongoDB and a YouTube data API key. For that, if you previously not check this video, you can check this video, and here I demonstrated how can you create MongoDB and YouTube data API key. So you can check this video, and this video's link also in description or in the I button. Okay, so let's deploy this on my local system. Okay, so for that you go to that repository and download the repository codes. So here I download. Now go to your MongoDB and click that connect and connect your application and copy that MongoDB URL and go to your Google Cloud Platform and create copy your API key. Okay, now this is my VS code. I unzip that. So here firstly do command npm install to install that dependencies. It will take some time. Okay, now my dependencies are installed. Okay, now open config.js. So here you have to generate the system. So the process is same, node gen token.js. Okay, so it will open a QR code. Now open your WhatsApp and go to your WhatsApp web and tap that plus. So it will scan that QR code. After you do that successfully, a file called session.json also saved on your computer, so you do not need to copy and paste that. Okay, now open your config.js again and paste here your MongoDB URL. Now change the password to your chosen password. After that, paste that YT data API key and save that file. Okay, now you can start this by npm start. So my server is started. After some time you will see bot has been started. Okay, now bot has been started. Now let's check my bot is working or not. So give command start. So as you can see, my Whatsbot is working.